Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check rank on Hunting Sniper. In order to check your rank on Hunting Sniper, simply go ahead and open the application from your app drawer. Wait until the application loads. After you are signed into your account and you are in the main homepage, go ahead and look for the ranking button right at the top left-hand corner of the screen. You will then be able to see this interface where you can see your ranking displayed on the screen. You can now see your current rank, trophies and other information. So that is how you'll be able to see all the ranking under the My League tab for Hunting Sniper. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.